Hello everyone, welcome to the database management course, week number 7. I am sharing with you a Blackboard week number 7 homepage. Here is a list of objectives that we want to accomplish this week, and a list of the instructional material for you. And there's only one assignment for this week, which is from Zybook chapter 6, a little bit of that in chapter 10. What I want to do is to look at the lesson plan and briefly go over what you need to know and how to do them. So when you click on this lesson plan, this is what you get. And it's really a simple, a brief lesson plan for you. There's only 2 items worth mentioning. One of them is to do the Zybook chapter as outlined here. So let me take you over there to chapter 6 and 10. So here is chapter 6, and I'm assigning only the first 3 sections. And as I have briefly mentioned to you in previous lecture or presentation in one of the weeks, is that the transaction is very important for any relational database management system, because the issue of concurrency, issue of scheduling them, and transactions, all of those are very important because we use databases as a means of commerce. And so when people are trying to execute the same transaction at the same time, then that can be an issue. When people are reserving airline tickets or something like that, then when they begin to reserve, you want to be aware of who is looking at that ticket. But as soon as somebody clicks on purchase, you want to allow that person to process through, but block all the other people from making the purchase, because this is being purchased by someone, right? And then if that transaction actually completes successfully, then you need to update the database so that other people who are looking at it will be aware that it is not available. If it does fail in the transaction, then you need to inform the active user that it has failed for whatever reason, and then allow the next person who is in the queue, if that's what you're doing, to make that purchase. And what if there's 2 people at the same time, like a deadlock or something, right? So we need a strategy to resolve them. So go through those exercises and be aware of the issues. Most of the time, there's nothing you can do. Those decisions are typically made by the business owners rather than developers, although they probably work together. There is a database called NoSQL, so I'd like you to kind of look at chapter 12 and do the ones that are being assigned. So I think that's pretty much it. And then the other thing that I wanted to mention to you is begin to work on your project for this course, which is going to be due week number 8, at the end of week number 8. That's pretty much all you're going to be assigned to do. So I don't want you to wait until the last minute to do them. I've already mentioned this to you in week number 5. So just use this time to work on them. And next week, there's nothing new other than working on that project for you to submit. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to email me. Otherwise, look forward to receiving your work. Bye-bye.